All right, y'all. Just stream real quick. All right, we're at the creek. Got my truck stuck, so that's good. Well, hopefully we catch some fish, because that's not good. I'm hoping it's gonna dry out enough to where later on I can get it out. That's what I can hope for. But we'll see. Well, we're in this creek. I fished this creek from the bank one time and didn't do any good, but never fished it from a kayak, so let's see. Looking around, there's some brush right there. A few fish on it. We're gonna go upstream a little bit and then work our way down, so let's go. All right, we just found some sandies. All sorts of turned around though. Yeah, these sandies will get in these creeks too in the winter. You know, the reason these crappie are here is shad, so you know, sand bass are all about shad, so it makes sense that you'll find them in the same place. I'm really off from where I really found them at. There's one. Good size sandy. Oh, it's a crappie actually. Look at that one. It's a nice crappie. That is a nice crappie. Hoo hoo hoo. There we go. I thought that was a crappie. I mean a sandy. So I found a little concentration of fish, and I do mean little. It's really odd, like how these fish are set up. They're just out here just sitting. There's one. A mix of sandies and crappie mixed in. On the monkey milk from the Kid Creek box. Works on sandies too. Just literally just drifting through here like this. It's really not much. Just got a black nose with the camera off. It's really hard to pattern these fish, y'all, but keep trying. All right, might have figured something out now. Might have figured something out. Top jig, beautiful black crappie. All right, so switch to these double 16th ounce jigs. That seems to be helping so far. And these fish are on like little stumps on these drop-offs. Really hard to see and hard to stay on because of the wind. Okay, I got re-tied on. I'm using the chartreuse and then the monkey milk on the bottom. From the Kid Creek box. Link will be down below how to get that if you're interested. I just got more, so it's tough. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, it's tough. Catching fish, caught some sandies, caught several crappie, a couple good ones. There's just no pattern to them. So weird, you know. I'm having to really, it's like random. I don't know what, I haven't caught enough fish on one thing to know that there's a pattern, so we're gonna keep looking around. I mean, it's beautiful out here though. It's definitely beautiful out here. So we're gonna keep trying. Maybe we'll stumble into them. I hope y'all can see that. Right here is what you want to see. Fish sitting down in that hole. See, like right here, there's some fish on the bottom. Just a matter of not if they want to want to bite. There's one. Now that I say that. Little one. We got one to bite. That monkey milk. Pretty fish. There's not many of them that want to cooperate. There's another one. Little one. Oh, it's a yellow bass. Nice. Just bumped a fish. Just missed him. Dang it. Got him that time. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, little Sandy. That Sandy looks purple. I thought it was a catfish at first. I thought that was a catfish. Fish is cold, cold, cold. Some pretty like purple color on that Sandy. So I'm gonna go up here and just kind of do that same area. It was a sand bass, but I caught crappie here too, so. Fish are just hugging the bottom. I mean, hugging the bottom, which they typically do. There's something. Another Sandy. Oh, got a little more color to them. These aren't keepers, but they're fun. Especially, you know, a lot of people don't realize they're in the creeks too in the winter as well. All right. We're heading out. I gotta go get my truck unstuck, so that'll be fun. Well, caught some fish. Definitely didn't do that good. I don't know. These fish are weird here. They're just random. It's just open water. I haven't figured it out quite yet, to be honest. But this was my first time here, so in a kayak, so I guess with time I'll figure it out. But hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that comment or hit that subscribe button. Sorry. Hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, so don't forget we go live every Monday nights at 7 o'clock Central Time PM. Y'all, I'm trying. I'm really trying to stay on these creek fish, but it's been tough. Don't know why, but it has been tough. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Wasn't a whole lot of fish, but caught a few, so we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.